Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here again with another video in which I am going to give you the review of H&B Pencil Kit as promised. So if you were watching my previous videos, I made 3 sketches on the Harry Potter theme using the products present in this particular kit only. So now we will review the products in this kit. Are they good or not? Is it worth to buy this product or not? So here we go. Talking about the case, it has been a month, it is still the same, and as I told you, you can still use it if you are finished with all of your products. So 10 out of 10 for the case first, and then first 2 things in this kit were these 2 sharpeners, and they sharpened my pencils and my paper smudgers really well. And then your pencils, your graphite pencil, they are in such a good range that when I was sketching, if I wanted a darker shade, I used to pick a pencil and start sketching. If I wanted the light one, I used to pick, you have a range of light and dark shades, so really good. And if you are a beginner, you don't know how many shades are there in a pencil kit, so you have it here. So then next was this woodless pencil, and it broke, and it is a very light pencil also, so I'm not that satisfied with the pencil. And then your charcoal pencils. You know how charcoal pencils are, they're really powdery, they're really, they also create a mess. The soft medium was good, but the hard one was same as the medium one. So you can see it is still the same. I had no use of it because I was already using medium and it was almost the same. Then this paper cutter, it is very good to handle because it is really sleek, but it is really sharp. So I was working very carefully also, and whenever you use it, be careful. Again and again I'm telling you. So this was also the good one, and it is really sharp as I said. And then I had no such use of the pencil extender, but I will still keep this product really safe because I know I am going to use this in future and it is going to help me a lot. So then your paper smudgers, as you know that paper smudgers are one of my favorite medium, so I use them a lot. Then this eraser, as you know that I was using only H&B, I use no other eraser, but this made my paper really weak. It actually also teared my paper, so it is really hard also, it's not that soft, so not that happy with the eraser. And then your pencil sticks, they are really good. Your kneaded eraser, it is also really good. It it was rubbing my edge part or the detail part really well. And then I am in love with the sandpaper stick. I also have used 3 to 4 of the papers because whenever I used to give a sharpen edge to my pencil, else using the sharpener, sometimes I used to pick a pencil and I used to rub it. I used to sharp here in this sandpaper stick, and it was just so easy with the sandpaper stick. So now we are all done with the review. I will give 8 out of 10 for this product, and for the beginners, you are just going 10 on 10 for this product. Go and buy it because you are getting everything in a single kit. Doesn't matter that some of the things are good or bad, you still have all the alternatives in one kit. So this is Sajid Tarathan signing off now. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon so whenever I upload you get the notification.